Welcome to a powerful video of abundance. If you've ever felt like there's more to life, more that you could achieve, experience, or hold within your grasp, then you're already on the path to opening up an extraordinary potential. This video will guide you through the effective practice of affirmations, simple, yet profound phrases you will learn to use 3 times a day to cultivate an abundance that transcends mere material wealth. Imagine tapping into a reservoir of peace, joy, and prosperity that enhances every aspect of your life. That's what we're going to look into, step by step, starting right now. Abundance is often mistaken for a substantial bank balance or a lavish lifestyle, but true abundance encompasses so much more. It's about thriving in every area of your life: mental clarity, emotional stability, spiritual depth, and yes, financial health too. Abundance is about feeling rich in relationships, fulfilled in your career, and lessened with your spiritual journey. It's the freedom to pursue your passions without constraint and the peace of mind that comes from knowing you are secure and supported in all aspects of life. In this journey towards abundance, it's essential to align your mindset not just to the idea of monetary gain, but to a comprehensive wealth that includes happiness, health, and heartful relationships. It involves a paradigm shift, a move from a scarcity mindset that focuses on what you lack, to a mindset of plenty, where you see opportunities and blessings in every moment. This shift doesn't happen overnight, nor does it occur by chance. It's a deliberate, conscious effort that begins with setting the right intentions. Intentions are the seeds from which the beautiful flowers of your life grow. When you set an intention, you define what you want to bring into your life. But it's not just about stating what you wish to achieve, it's also about understanding why you want it and ensuring it resonates deeply with your core values. Setting the right intentions is about connecting with your deepest desires and aspirations, and aligning your daily actions and thoughts with those goals. To set powerful intentions, start by asking yourself what aspects of your life you wish to transform. Is it your financial situation, your relationships, your health, or your personal growth? Once you identify the areas of change, craft your intentions to be clear, positive, and in the present tense. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be stressed," reframe it to, "I experience peace and calm daily." This positive framing reinforces your mind's ability to manifest what you truly desire. Setting the right intentions also involves a commitment to yourself. It requires a promise to invest in your own growth and to remain faithful to your vision, even when challenges arise. It's about treating your intentions not as fleeting wishes but as solemn vows to yourself, commitments that you are determined to honor. This level of dedication sets the foundation for the affirmations that you will introduce into your life, ensuring they are not just words, but catalysts of real change. The reason behind repeating affirmations 3 times a day, morning, noon, and night, is rooted in the rhythm of human life. Just as the day is divided into 3 distinct parts, so too can your practice of affirmations be segmented to maximize their impact. Each repetition serves a unique purpose aligned with the natural cycle of our daily lives. In the morning, affirmations set the tone for the day, infusing your morning with intention and positivity. At noon, they serve as a gentle reminder of your commitments, helping to realign your focus amidst the day's activities. In the evening, affirmations help you reflect on the day and reinforce your intentions as you prepare for restful sleep. This triadic approach not only keeps your goals consistently in your awareness but also capitalizes on different states of mind throughout the day, which can enhance the absorption of these positive statements into your subconscious. Morning affirmations invigorate you with a purpose, noon affirmations renew your commitment, and evening affirmations ensure that you end the day with a sense of accomplishment and gratitude. This regular reinforcement embeds these desires deeper into your psyche, encouraging a shift in both thought and behavior that aligns with your desired abundance. Crafting affirmations that resonate personally with you is crucial. They should be concise, positive, and expressed in the present tense to have the greatest effect. Each affirmation must reflect a true desire and be phrased in a way that feels natural and affirmative. The simplicity of the language is key. The clearer the statement, the more likely it is to impact your subconscious mind effectively. When developing your affirmations, focus on what you seek to bring into your life. If your intention is to open the gates of abundance, your affirmations could be as straightforward as, "I am open to receiving abundance now," or "Abundance flows freely through me." These phrases should be repeated with conviction and felt deeply each time they are expressed. Remember, the repetition of these affirmations is not just a vocal exercise, it is a ritual that cultivates the very essence of your aspirations. Each affirmation acts as a touchstone throughout the day, redirecting your focus and energy towards abundance. This method ensures that your mindset does not stray into negativity or doubt, keeping you aligned with the frequencies of prosperity and success. The act of consistently affirming your intentions empowers you to manifest the life you desire, transforming your mindset from one of scarcity to one of ample prosperity. Visualization is a powerful tool to enhance the effectiveness of your affirmations. By creating a vivid mental image of what you wish to achieve, you connect deeply with your intentions. Visualizing your success as already realized helps bridge the gap between wanting and receiving. When you repeat your affirmations, try to clearly picture the abundance you desire. Imagine feeling the satisfaction of your needs being met, the joy of having ample resources, and the calm that comes with financial security. The practice of visualization is straightforward. When you state your affirmation, close your eyes and paint a detailed picture in your mind of your life as it would be when your affirmations come true. For instance, if your affirmation is about financial abundance, see yourself handling your finances with ease, experiencing the freedom to make choices that bring you joy, and the capability to support loved ones. This mental rehearsal primes your subconscious to recognize and open up to the opportunities that align with your aspirations. For affirmations to truly work, they must be supported by the correct emotional energy. It's not just about saying something, it's about feeling it deeply. Emotional alignment means your emotions mirror the positive statements you're affirming. When you say, "I am open to receiving abundance," you should also cultivate feelings of worthiness and expectancy. To achieve emotional alignment, focus on the emotions that accompany your visualizations. While imagine your life filled with abundance, allow yourself to feel the excitement, peace, and gratitude that would naturally arise. This emotional investment breathes life into your affirmations, transforming them from mere words to catalysts for real change. Each time you affirm your intentions, dive deep into these positive emotions, letting them fill you up and reinforce the belief in your affirmations. Patience and persistence are essential when working with affirmations to manifest abundance. Understanding that changes in your mindset and circumstances won't happen overnight is key to maintaining your practice. Patience allows you to persevere through times when results seem invisible or when progress feels slow. It's important to trust in the process and know that each repetition of your affirmations is building the foundation for your future success. Persistence plays a crucial role, too. Consistency in repeating your affirmations daily, despite fluctuations in your belief or immediate visible outcomes, ensures that the seeds of your intentions are continually nurtured. Each day, with every repetition, you strengthen your resolve and reaffirm your commitment to your goals. This unwavering dedication is what ultimately transforms the potential of your affirmations into reality. While we start on this journey of using affirmations to even up abundance, you will likely face several challenges. Doubt is one of the most common, questioning whether affirmations really work or if you are worthy of the abundance you seek. Another challenge is inconsistency. Missing days or not fully engaging with your affirmations can hinder your progress. To overcome these challenges, it's helpful to set a daily reminder for your affirmation practice, ensuring you don't miss a session. You can use alarms, notes, or digital reminders, whatever fits best into your routine. Addressing doubt involves reaffirming your worth and the effectiveness of your affirmations. Review the successes, no matter how small, and use them as evidence of what is possible. Keeping a journal where you record any signs of progress or shifts in mindset can also be beneficial. This reflection not only combats doubt but reinforces your motivation to persist. Integrating affirmations into your daily life is essential for harnessing their full power. To make this practice a seamless part of your routine, you can link affirmations to habitual activities throughout your day. For instance, use your morning affirmation as a part of your waking up ritual, perhaps while you're brushing your teeth or having your first cup of coffee. Midday affirmations can be tied to lunch breaks or the transition periods between work tasks. Evening affirmations can be a winding down exercise, something you do before bedtime to reflect on the day and set the tone for peaceful sleep. Another effective strategy is to place visual reminders in your environment. Notes on your fridge, sticky notes on your computer monitor, or set as wallpaper on your phone or computer screen can all serve as cues to engage in your affirmation practice. These constant visual cues reinforce your commitment to opening the gates of abundance and keep the practice at the forefront of your mind. The practice of repeating specific affirmations thrice daily is a powerful method to open the gates of abundance in your life. This simple yet profound technique aligns your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the abundance you desire. Remember, the key to successful affirmations lies in consistency, belief, and integration into your daily life. Start today by choosing affirmations that resonate with you and commit to repeating them 3 times a day. With patience and persistence, you will begin to see the transformative power of affirmations unfold, leading you to the abundant life you've envisioned. Thank you for joining me on this video. Accept the power of your words and see how they can change your world. Start small, think big, and watch as the gates of abundance open before you.